class, this is Miss Robison with your math video for today. We are going to start out in your module for math, and then you will go to our Google Classroom. So once you get into our Google Classroom, you will click on Place Value Practice. We are going to complete a CAMI assignment today. I am going to show you how to do it. That way when you go, you will know how to do it. Voy a enseñar cómo vas a hacerla. So you'll click on CAMI. You'll click on Open with, Annotate with CAMI, and that will take you here. You will have your own copy. Todos tienen su propio copia, and you'll exit out of that if that comes up. First thing you do is put your name. So you should be on text box, and then you click where you want to put the text box. And we are going to write how many tens and ones are in this number below. So this is the number 35. Can you repeat 35? Good job. If you didn't repeat 35, repeat after me. Say repiten. 35. Good job. So we're going to talk about how many tens there are and how many ones there are. Remember that in a two-digit number, there's a group of tens and a group of ones. So, for example, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 5 is in the ones place. T for tens, O for ones. So you're going to write the number 3 in the tens space and the number 5 in the ones space, because there are 3 groups of 10 and 5 groups of 5 ones. So you'll write the numbers next. You are writing the numbers that come before and after the number 35. So which number comes before the number 35 and after the number 33? You can click on drawing and you can write it in there. Or you can use the text box this way by clicking text box and clicking where you'd like to put your box. So you're going to click wherever you'd like to type, and you will type the number that comes between these two numbers. You guys are great at number lines. I don't need to give you the answer for that one. Let's go to the next one. It says circle the base 10 blocks that show 35. So count the base 10 blocks, and you're going to circle the correct blocks that make 35. Remember that we can count by tens when we're counting our tens. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. So you'll circle the base 10 blocks that show 35. I want to show you something that you can do. You can click on shapes, and you can click on circle, and now you can create a circle. So you'll see that my cursor is this plus sign, and you can put your circle around whichever is correct. This one is not correct, but I'm going to show you an example. That is how you can put your circle. And you can choose your color. Here are the colors. So if you don't think that that's correct, you can grab your eraser and just erase. So next you're going to write 35 in expanded form. 35 in expanded form, I'm going to use my text box. You're going to add the two values together. The value of each number you're going to add. So the value of the 3 is 30 because it is in the tens place. The value of the 5 is 5 because it is in the ones place. So you should have 30 plus 5 equals 35. Fill in the missing numbers. This is what you're doing next, this little mouse. So you will look at this number line and fill in the numbers that are missing. You'll use a text box, click, and type the number. Next, you're going to write 35 as tens and ones. So put the number 35 into the chart. It should look like this. 35. And remember, you can use a text box or you can use the drawing tool. Next, you're going to fill in the equations. We have 35 plus 1 equals, and 35 minus 1 equals, So you will fill in the blank with either the drawing tool or the text box tool. Next, you're going to find the number 35 on the hundreds chart and color it. Circle the number that comes before 35 and the number after 35. Find the number 35 and circle it and color it. You can use a highlight tool. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.